Can I transfer money from my bank account to Chime? Hey there, money movers. Ever looked at your traditional bank account and thought, man, there's gotta be a better way to manage my cash? Well, you're not alone. A lot of people are turning to digital banks like Chime for a fresh approach to finances. But here's the burning question. Can you actually transfer money from your old, trusty bank account to this shiny new Chime account? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about why you might even consider switching to Chime. Maybe you're tired of those pesky overdraft fees, or you want a bank that doesn't have a bunch of hidden charges. Or maybe you just want a bank that's, well, actually cool. Chime has been making waves with its fee-free overdraft protection, early direct deposit, and even cash-back rewards. But before you jump ship, you need to know how to get your money over there smoothly. So, can you transfer money from your traditional bank to Chime? The short answer is absolutely. It's actually pretty straightforward. There are a few different ways to do it, and we're going to break it down for you, step by step. Option number 1, the classic bank transfer. This is probably the most common way to move money between accounts. All you gotta do is log into your traditional bank's online or mobile banking platform. Look for something like transfer funds or external transfers. You'll be asked to enter Chime's routing number and account number. Now, here's a pro tip, double-check those numbers. One wrong digit and your money could end up in the wrong place. Option number 2, the Chime way. You can also initiate the transfer directly from your Chime app. It's usually under something like Move Money or Transfers. You'll need to link your external bank account to Chime first, but once that's done, transferring funds is a breeze. Option number 3, the debit card dance. If you're in a hurry to get your money into Chime, you can use your traditional bank's debit card to add funds. Just go to a local ATM that allows cash deposits and load up your Chime card. It's a quick and easy way to get started, but keep in mind there might be fees involved, so check with your bank first. Now, let's talk about transfer speeds. This can vary depending on the method you choose and the banks involved. Typically, transfers between bank accounts take a few business days to complete. But some banks and digital services offer instant transfers for a fee. So, if you need your money ASAP, you might want to explore those options. One thing to keep in mind is transfer limits. Both your traditional bank and Chime might have restrictions on how much money you can transfer at once. So, if you're planning a big move, you might need to break it up into multiple transfers. Alright, so you've got your money in your Chime account. Now what? Well, that's where the fun really begins. Explore all the features Chime has to offer, from automatic savings to fee-free overdraft protection. And don't forget to check out their cashback rewards program. But wait, there's more. We've got a bonus tip for you. Consider using Chime as your primary checking account. With its fee-friendly policies and convenient features, it might just be the perfect fit for your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.